Transferring money from Paysafe to Revolut is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Steps to transfer money from Paysafe to Revolut are: firstly, log in to your Paysafe account. Here, navigate to the withdrawal or transfer section. Then withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. After that, link bank account to Revolut. To do that, open your Revolut app. Navigate to the Accounts or Wallet section. Add your bank account details. Revolut provides instructions on how to link your bank account within the app. Once your Paysafe funds are in your linked bank account, initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Revolut account. Ensure you use the correct reference or account details to avoid any issues. Confirm the transaction within your bank's online or mobile banking platform. Log in to your Revolut app and verify that the transferred funds have been credited to your Revolut account.